Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram post an unexpected error occurred. Please try again later problem in Instagram application. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search Instagram app, update your Instagram application latest version. You make sure your Instagram application is up to date. Step 3. Open your phone setting, search Wi-Fi. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. Step 5. Again open your Instagram application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram an unexpected error occurred. Please try again later problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.